Imagine blasting off on a roller coaster, but instead of just flying through track, you're actually soaring with dragons. That's exactly what Hiccup's Wing Gliders at Epic Universe feels like. And trust me, this ride might just be the perfect family coaster. What's up, guys? It's Matt Machine, and today we're talking about one of the most anticipated coasters at Epic Universe, Hiccup's Wing Gliders. This ride is themed to How to Train Your Dragon, and honestly, it might just be one of the best family coasters in the world. Let's break it down. So here's how the ride goes. You board your dragon-themed train and roll out of the station with a little turn into the first launch area. And this is where it gets really cool. Toothless himself, a full animatronic, actually presses a button that sends you flying forward. That moment alone had me grinning from ear to ear. Right after that, you glide out over the water, and it really feels like you're soaring, just like in the movies. It's smooth, it's scenic, and it's pure magic. Next up, you reach the second launch, and here's where the storytelling kicks in. You see these big dragon eggs, and when the launch fires, you almost make it up a small hill, but nope, you roll backwards. When you return to the eggs, they've actually hatched. That detail blew me away. Then, with the dragons cheering you on, you launch again, this time making it over the hill, and it feels so satisfying. After that, the coaster does a few more fun twists and turns before gliding back into the station. It's not overly intense, but it keeps you smiling the entire way. This ride was built by Intamin, and wow, they nailed it. The theming is god tier. From the animatronics, to the water effects, to the dragon eggs, this is how you do a family coaster. Honestly, SeaWorld Orlando should have called Intamin for Penguin Trek, instead of going with B&M, because Wing Gliders shows just how much personality and storytelling a family coaster can have. For me, I'm giving Hiccup's Wing Gliders a 7.5 out of 10. Why? Because it's the perfect balance between being family friendly and still giving you that little thrill coaster fans crave. The launches are punchy, the theming is next level, and it's something everyone in the family can enjoy. My only real complaint? The lap bars. They're a little tight on your legs, and after a couple rides, you definitely feel it. But outside of that, this ride is a win all around. So what do you guys think? Would you ride Hiccup's Wing Gliders? Or are you more into the bigger thrill coasters at Epic Universe? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your takes. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to Matt Machine for more theme park reviews, POVs, and coaster content. Trust me, we've got a ton more Epic Universe coverage coming your way. Until next time, keep riding and keep soaring.